Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted messenger call history or deleted messenger call logs. So I'm going to go here on my messenger. You can see this is my messenger, so just clicking on messenger and such kind of interface will be found here in the messenger. And here you can see at the bottom of the site calls, so just click on calls, then you can find here calls option, and you can see here those calls or incoming or outgoing calls are given by your friend. Then if you delete any kind of calls, so suppose you can see here I am deleting these calls, you can see click on delete and delete. Right now you can see there is no call history. Again I'm delete another calls history. You can see I have deleted 2 calls history, and right now I want to recovering it. For doing this, just go to here on your Play Store. You can see here is my Play Store, and search here an application. The application name is all deleted messages recovered. This one, you can see all deleted messages recovered and by Peak International. Look at the name, brand name or company name, Peak International. Then just install it. After installing, just click on open, and whenever clicking on open it, you can find such kind of interface. And then you can see here that is WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram. So click on Messenger. Right now you can see here a number of messages that you deleted. You can see this message I deleted, and you can see this one I deleted, and also a number of call history. So that way you can find here all the deleted call history on Messenger. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.